Hey guys, what's up everybody? It's your boy Subhan Ali back it again with a new reaction video. So guys, टाइटल देख के आप लोग समझ गए होंगे कि आशिक खन्ना की न्यू वीडियो पे मैं रिएक्ट देने जा रहा हूँ, जिसका टाइटल है माय न्यू फेवरेट शॉपिंग वेबसाइट फैशन नोवा हॉल। बस इसके अंदर यार बस एक ही वो है कि इसमें प्रमोशन या स्पॉन्सरशिप वाला सीन नहीं हो। तो गाइज़ बाकी देखते हैं वीडियो। और गाइज़ आप लोगों के लिए मैं 2 वीडियोस रोज़ अपलोड कर रहा हूं ताकि आप लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट भी कवर कर सकूं और ट्रेंडिंग जो वीडियोस आ रही हैं डैम फैम की वो भी कवर कर सकूं। तो गाइज़ आप लोगों का भी थोड़ा बहुत हक बनता है कि मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, और आप लोग न्यू हैं तो फिर भी सब्सक्राइब करें। और गाइज़ लाइक करके बताइएगा कि वीडियो का रिएक्ट कैसा लगा आप लोगों को, और साथ प्रेस बेल आइकन ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो आप लोगों को मिल सके। तो लेट्स गो।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Ashik Khanna and I'd be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Have read by the title of this video, I'm sure there are a lot of girls watching this video and अगर लड़के भी देख रहे हैं तो वाओ यार, I love you guys कि आप बैठ के मेरे शॉपिंग हॉल्स देखने आए हो। लड़कियों को मैं बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, ऐसी बात नहीं है, बट अगर लड़के आउट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बैठ के देख रहे हैं so anyway guys, without any further blabbering, I would just jump into this video because I'm so excited because this was the first time that I ordered from Fashion Nova and I have been wanting to do this since a really long time because I love their collection. I've seen Kylie wearing it. I've seen literally every celebrity, every Hollywood celebrity wearing the Fashion Nova collection, and I have been wanting to order a lot of stuff since so long. And now that I finally have, I would just quickly show you all what all I bought and the reviews. The first outfit that I have is the one that I'm wearing. It's a blue denim outfit and I always do this whenever I do my hauls. I always wear one outfit from the haul itself and then I start shooting. So बहुत excitement होती है कि कुछ आया तो मैं पहन लूँ उसको पहले. So I just wore this dress. I love the look of denim dresses, denim tops and everything, and the quality of this is super nice, and the fit is absolutely stunning. I love this. Next one that I have to show you guys is this one guys, but दिखाने से पहले I would like to say how much I love this outfit because of the color. I'm sorry this is not ironed, but मैंने सिर्फ पैकेज खोला, मैंने इसको ट्राई किया and I absolutely loved how this looks on me. This is a lavender colored, I think this is silk. You all already know how much I love pastels and this is one of my most favorite colors. And it's like a very silky touch. It has a very silky touch to it. You can totally rock it in a formal occasion as well because it looks so dressy and ज़्यादा कुछ है भी नहीं. Like you just have to wear one piece of clothing and you're good to go. You can accessorize with it and you are good to go to any party and shine dur se hi. So I love this. Next outfit that I have to show you guys is again in the pastel shade collection. You all know me, मैं नहीं आ सकती बाज अपनी हरकतों से. मैं same shade palette के ही मंगाऊंगी because I cannot get over these shades. I don't know why. So this is a pastel pink dress. सीधा दिखा रही हूँ ना मैं. This is a pastel pink dress and look how beautiful this is. मुझे ये डिटेलिंग बहुत पसंद है, जो फ्रिल वाली डिटेलिंग है. It's absolutely stunning and I would just wear it and show you guys so you can see how it looks yourself. इधर कहीं पे होगा. And I really find these things to be simple, very simple yet very elegant. So इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा ड्रेसी नहीं है, कुछ चमक धमक नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. Simple yet पहनने के बाद it looks so elegant. I love this and I love pink color also. You already know. I ordered most of the items from their summer dress collection. Okay, so next one that I have to show you guys is this beige colored dress and it has brown button detailing on it and थोड़ी बहुत pockets भी हैं. And who doesn't love pockets? We all do. And I love this again. मतलब मैं हर चीज़ में guys मैं ये बोलने वाली हूँ, I love this because I genuinely loved all the products of whatever I've ordered. I absolutely love each outfit. and I think I'm gonna wear this one a lot because like I would prefer comfy and edgy outfits over very formal and blingy outfits any day. So this is so much my type. I wish I could make you feel how the cloth is, but अफसोस वो नहीं हो सकता virtually. जो next outfit मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, वो मैं जब ट्राई किया ना मैं ऐसे हो गई बिकॉज इट लुक्स सो, मैं खुद की तारीफ नहीं कर रही, मैं ड्रेस की तारीफ कर रही हूँ. इट लुक्स सो सेक्सी. फर्स्टली इट्स ब्लैक एंड यू कैन नेवर एवर गो रॉन्ग विद ब्लैक. Secondly, it has shoulder pads in it, and shoulder pads, you know, give a very formal and firm look to your whole body structure, I feel. So this is the whole dress, and it has buttons in between. So this is a blazer dress. Kabhi kabhi you want to dress up as the boss lady that you are, and this outfit is exactly what you need when you feel like that. Eagerly waiting to, you know, wear this and style it at some event or any occasion that I find worth using this outfit because I don't want to waste that outfit. It's too beautiful and too hot for that. Next I have my current favorite color, which is, guess karo, jaldi guess karo, yellow. I had to order at least one yellow dress, so I ordered this one. So it's a padded dress and it has net puffy sleeves. This is my most favorite part about this dress, the sleeves. It gives a very princess effect, and also the padding makes it very comfortable and easy to wear. And the length of the dress is perfect, the color is perfect, the style is perfect, and again very excited to wear this in a sunflower field or a lavender field. कब जाने मौका मिलेगा? Lavender, सोचो guys, just visualize lavender field है, purple purple हर जगह, and मैं बीच में yellow dress पहन के ऐसे पड़ी हूँ. So cute, but
अभी से इमेजिन कर रही है भाई.
can't wait. The next piece of clothing that I have to show you guys is this blue floral dress. As I said, majority of my outfits are gonna be summer dresses, and what screams summer more than florals? I think nothing can beat florals. मतलब they never go out of style. Like अगर आप 10 साल पहले भी आप कुछ फ्लोरल पहना हुआ देखो किसी को, और अभी भी देखोगे, आपको नहीं लगेगा कि ये पुराने जमाना गया है इसका. No, it never goes out of style, and that is the beauty of florals. I absolutely love how it fits. So guys, this one has to be one of my most favorite outfit from the whole lot. It gives me, तो पहले दिखा देती हूँ. Just look, मुझे थोड़ा पतला होना पड़ेगा पहनने के लिए, but just look at this dress. Oh my god, it gives me a very like, मेरे को देखते ही जो smile आया ना face पे, like as soon as I opened the package and I took the dress out and I was like मम्मी बोली क्या हो गया तेरे को, and I was like, you don't know how happy I am to look how beautiful this looks. And when I tried it on, I was a bit moti in this dress, to be very honest, but it looks very stunning. I love the detailing. The net detailing on this dress is to die for, and the color, it's not exactly pink, it's actually peachish pink, and they also have you know, lace detailing on the neck. You're gonna hear which I absolutely love a lot in this video, so forgive me for that, but I cannot help it. If I ever get a chance, I would surely wear this to a date. Candlelight dinner. So my next outfit is a pista colored dress. I don't own anything of this color, that is the reason I ordered it. Also, it is a very casual summer dress. I love the puffy sleeves. I love the detailing at the back. It has a crisscross, क्या कहेंगे इसको, elastic, sorry. It has an elastic detailing on the entire back. It's a very calming and soothing color, very pleasing to the eyes. And of course, because of the detailing that this dress has, it is so casual yet so beautiful. I love the things which are very, you know, minimalistic. Like you don't have to put a lot of effort into it, and yet it looks beautiful. So this is like that sort of dress. Next thing that I'm about to show you might seem a bit flashy to you on camera, but it's very edgy and very unique. That is the reason I ordered it. It's a mesh top in चमकीला पर्पल,
ऐसा लग रहा है प्लास्टिक
और छोटे से चमकीला सा पर्पल नेक, and if you style it अच्छे से, it's gonna look bomb.com. It's very different what I usually see on social media, और I मतलब personally I haven't seen anyone wearing this kind of top anywhere on
मतलब
Instagram.
अच्छा लग रहा है काफ़ी।
And very beautiful, you know, it's very bright, it's very happy, that's why I ordered it. The last thing that I have is this pink plaid shorts with a belt with it, and it's, I think this is a high waist shorts. I would show you when I try it here or there, jahan pe bhi. I think it's the high waisted shorts, and I love plaids. I love the color pink, and I love the belt. So again, the material of this is very very nice, very like A1 quality. So
A1
guys,
और
that was it for
comfortable।
this video. I really hope you had a great time watching this one. The links will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And I love you guys so much. Thank you
तो
so much
मुझे
for watching this video.
क्यों
And if you're
ऐसा
still
लग
here
रहा
with me,
था,
thank you so much for watching my video. And don't
अभी
forget to
बताता
like
हूँ।
this video and
मुझे
subscribe
आने
to
दे।
my channel. We are so close to 500k, so I cannot
500
wait.
के अभी बहुत
Love
दूर
you
है,
guys so much.
दो
Let
तीन
me
दिन
know what
लगेंगे
else
कम
would
से
you
कम
like to see on my
500 के।
channel, and I would love to do that for you guys.
थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। तो गाइस यहाँ पे वीडियो रोक रहा हूँ मैं। और गाइस मैं ये बोल रहा था कि मुझे पता नहीं शुरू में ऐसा क्यों लग रहा था टाइटल देख के कि अगर ये क्लोथिंग हॉल है तो भाई इसके अंदर प्रमोशन लाजमी होगी, ऐसा लग रहा है। क्योंकि इन्होंने बोला अगर शॉपिंग करनी है आप लोगों को, ऐसा ड्रेस लेना है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। तो गाइस बाकी मुझे 2-3 ड्रेस अच्छे लगे हैं जो अगर कोई कॉमन गर्ल भी पहने तो बहुत ही अच्छे लगेंगे। एक येलो ड्रेस और एक सबसे पहले डेनम वाली जो हुडी गैंग वो ड्रेस था, डेनम वाला जीन्स वाला, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त था। और बाकी थर्ड वन कौन सा, हाँ सबसे लास्ट जो मुझे थर्ड वन शॉर्ट टाइप का जो था ना, पिंक पिंक जिसमें बेल्ट का बता रही थी, तो वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे। बाकी एक प्लास्टिक वाला अजीब, मतलब अच्छा था, इतना अच्छा नहीं कहूँगा मैं, मतलब अजीब सा लग रहा था वो। क्योंकि मैंने किसी को देखा नहीं है या मैं फ़र्स्ट टाइम देख रहा हूँ, शायद मुझे इस वजह से लग रहा हो। तो गाइस मैं इतना ही कहूँगा, क्योंकि मुझे लड़कियों के मतलब उनको अलग चीज़ पसंद होती है और बॉयज़ जो होते हैं उनको अलग चीज़ की ड्रेसिंग, हर किसी की अपनी अपनी ड्रेसिंग वो है सेंस। तो गाइस उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। तो चलते हैं और मिलते हैं आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।